This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make wings in Blender. Start by opening Blender, deleting the default cube, and adding a plane to block out the wing shape. Switch to Edit mode, extrude edges to form the wing profile, and use loop cuts for feather separations. Add a mirror modifier to work symmetrically, then use proportional editing to shape curves. Keep topology clean for later rigging and animation. I'll walk you through creating feather shapes that read well in motion, starting with a single feather profile and working outward. Duplicate and tweak each feather using an array modifier and object offsets to follow the wing curve naturally. Use simple bevels and edge loops to add thinness and a slight taper without heavy geometry. Keep feather counts balanced for silhouettes and apply subtle variations so the wing feels organic and alive in animation. Rigging lets your wings fold and flap naturally, so start by creating a simple bone chain running along the wingspan. Parent each feather group to nearby bones, then paint weights conservatively to avoid harsh bending or clipping during motion. Add constraints like copy rotation for subtle control and an IK chain for the main arm if needed. Test poses repeatedly, tweak weights, and bake animations for smooth playback before finalizing textures and lighting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.